Okay, right. So in this question, they want us to determine the derivative of y, x to the power of 3 plus square root x to the power of 3 all over x in terms of dy dx. All right. But then remember, we're going to use the power rule to actually do the differentiation actually, and the power rule is given as d over dx x to the power of n equals to n x n minus 1. Right, so the best way for us to even start trying to do the differentiation, we're gonna have to simplify the expression, or we're gonna have to simplify the given function of y. So we are given that y equals to x to the power of 3 plus square root here square root x equals here, right, all over x. And the way in which we're gonna do it is using exponential laws. So we're gonna say equals to x to the power of 3 over x plus square root x to the power of 3 over x. Now remember, from exponential laws, if you're gonna have anything m over x, and you're gonna say x m minus n. And then another thing, if you are given something, let me just push this a little bit further to the right. If you are given anything in this way, x m there and n there, basically it's gonna change to m over x x to the power of m over n, right? So here we basically have x3 minus 1, because basically here there is a 1 there, there's a 1 there, right? Then we're gonna say plus, remember that we can change it into x3 over 2 minus 1. Then if we do that, we should get x to the power of 2 plus 3 over 2 minus 1, and then we should get x a half there, right? And now we can do dy over dx, and if we do that, we should get 2x plus a half x, and if you say a half minus 1, you should get minus 1 over 2. And then in the question you can leave the answer here already, but in most cases they always love it when you leave your answers in positive exponents, right? So it means that you can say, but I don't think that they can take away the marks, but just so you can be sure, you can leave your answers in positive exponents. If you leave it in positive exponents, you should get 2x plus 1 over 2 square root x, and then that will be your final answer at the end. But in the question it didn't specify that you should leave your answers in positive exponents, so even if you left your answer here, you would have gotten your full marks, because that's what it matters. But you can leave your answer here at the end just to be sure that you get all the answers. Okay.